Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Rivercenter Marriott in San Antonio, Texas. These are Westinghouse from 1987. Still original, nothing has changed. 38. Here we go. Whoa, these are fast. These travel 700 feet per minute. Your cab view? I think these are the newer Westinghouse AE fixtures, but I'm not sure though. Love the dinner bell. There's your view outside. There's your view into San Antonio, Texas, right there. Alright, we're gonna go back down now. Love the dinner bell. Alright, we'll go back down to 1. We'll end it there. Get a picture of that Westinghouse label. Another view of the cab. This time watch the button go out. Going up? Alright. There it goes. And that will be it.